Listen. This is what happens. Listen. Love, brother. And tomorrow, when we had no, we didn't even eat because tired. We were grinding. I was tired and complaining. When is the food coming out? I'm hungry. We can see if you can learn to drive it. We can get you the stick. Maybe you can grip the steering wheel. We'll see if you can drive it over time. But don't feel pressure to drive it anytime soon. You got your brothers. Your brother can drive it for you. You hop right in the passenger seat. Y'all get from point A to point B. You know how you just went on a trip for 8 hours? Now you can do it in your own car. You ain't got to call and say, hey, can I get a ride? Can I? Nah, fuck that. You got your own car. You just need a little driver. The good thing is that you got brothers out here. You don't have to say a lot. I see God in you. You don't gotta say a lot.
That is walking. Wow. That is walking. That is walking. Yo.
From bottom of my heart, I really appreciate you, man. I can't say a lot, but God bless you.
You don't have to say a lot.
God bless you.
I see God in you. You don't gotta say a lot.
God bless you, man.
Thank you, bro.
I really appreciate Jesus. Because Jesus is the king.
Yeah.
Without Jesus, I can't achieve the things like that.
Yeah.
So from bottom of my heart, I really appreciate you, man.
Appreciate you too, brother. It's love.
Yeah.
We love. Hey, we.
From now,
Yeah.
not from now. From Nshya, you have been my family.
Yeah.
So, let me question you one thing.
Yeah.
Are you ready to be my brother?
Yeah. We brothers. I'm here forever, brother. I'm here forever. You'll be 55. Like I told you the other day, you'll be 55, I'll be 60. Still calling you. Brother, how you doing? Everything good? Checking up on you. How the kids? How wifey? How's the house? You know what I'm saying? How's business? Hey, this is the last country. Is your last country? Small Victorian Africa. Beautiful Granda. This is one of many blessings that God has for you. We're gonna give you $5,000 as a jump start, right? This isn't gonna retire you. Love, brother, love. This won't retire you. This is just something, this is only something so you can get a head start. Because I know you're gonna be a star, right? I want you to focus on your content, focus on the message that you're pushing to the world, right? I posted you on my page one time and everybody was blowing up my phone. Ashton small. They see a light in you, brother. And I just want to say thank you for allowing me to spend 2 weeks with you personally. Love you, bro. Love, brother.